Hi, welcome to a Cloud Minute with CoreVault, and we are at part 2 as we're talking to you, the dentists out there, on how cloud backup and recovery technology can really make your life a lot better and really allow you to focus and do what you do best, and that's take care of your patients, right? So in part 1, we talked about automation and data recovery and the simplicity of those areas and how cloud backup and recovery can help your dentist practice. Today, we're going to really get into a couple new areas with Edward, one of our sales engineers, and we want to really talk about HIPAA compliance and data security. Those are two other very critical areas that dentists are always wanting to know about, right? So, Edward, maybe ties back into what dentists are doing today and then how cloud technology really helps a dentist with HIPAA compliance and data security issues.
Definitely. So obviously you're looking at HIPAA compliance, you're looking at things like user access controls, encryption of your data, basically safeguards on the privacy of that patient data.
Okay.
So before, we talked about they're using external tapes, maybe an external hard drive, something along those lines.
Yep.
Generally, you don't see those being encrypted. Someone can simply walk in, touch those, take them, and have patient data sitting there.
Okay.
So really with the cloud backup, what you're looking for is something with an encryption key, not a simple password that anyone can guess, randomly generated, something with audit trails, something that you can actually go in and see what has actually happened with your backup and see, hey, who's touched this, where does it come from, and how is it being done?
Okay.
And then obviously just something that's off-site, something that you can actually transmit and have it somewhere other than, someone's car that, someone can walk away with that data.
Okay, so when you're starting to talk about just this whole HIPAA compliance and data security, we're talking about authentication of the processes, right? So, and the good thing about this is a lot of times seems like with tape drives, they don't know it's not successfully backing up or there's an issue until they go back to restore it, right? Is that what you see a lot out there in the marketplace?
Definitely.
Okay, so when we're thinking about your dentist practice today, I mean, you're in a huge liability and risk if you're sitting there backing up an external drive or a tape drive. Why put your risk and your reputation at that kind of exposure when all this can be automated, encrypted, off-site, and no one can just go in and take information? So think about that for you and your practice today. Data security, HIPAA compliance, and hey, and we all know regulatory compliance is not slowing down today, right? It's only going to get worse. So the cloud's going to allow you to stay compliant from this day forward. So thank you.